In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the upper radiator support cover on your Toyota Camry. Let's get started. Remove the clips from the upper radiator cover. Remove the radiator cover. Install the radiator cover. These tabs are going to slide into the front bumper. And we'll go around and install our clips. Install the clips.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.